Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we have another unboxing of a new model from Frontiart. As you can see, the box is in leatherish material with white stitching going on all over, and the detail of the model, as you can see, it's a Jesko, Koenigsegg Jesko. Waited for a long time for this model, and today I received it with another Koenigsegg regera, which already is uploaded and you might have watched it. So, and bought it from the same place, carmodels.com. Very good seller and good collection of Koenigsegg with that person. Do visit him. So let's open the box and see what's inside. So it's come with the next certificate of mentioning that it's a limited edition model from Frontiart. This one is where is the number? This one is 219 out of 299. So 299 in total will be made, and this one is 219. And there you go. There it is. Actually, before moving towards the model, I want to tell something, a brief description about the box. It has a magnet, which is a very good thing. It starts there, and it's a fabric inside all over, and there is the model. So let's bring it out and have a brief look, detailed look at it, and talk about it and see what it is. So here is the model, Koenigsegg Jesko. Long wait, man, but worth it. A very good model. Starting from the cover, the same glass cover comes with it for the dust protection to keep the model safe, and it can be removed. And very nice cover, fine finished cover this is. So starting from the base, carbon fiber texture base is there, and the logo, the plate saying Koenigsegg Jesko, and the logo of Koenigsegg Frontiart, and the serial number 219 out of 299, limited edition. And the bottom of the sides of the base is leatherite material, as you can see over here. Now moving towards the model, so much in it, so much. Look at the front, it's huge. Starting from the splitter, a huge splitter in front of the car, and huge openings for the air intake. Air goes from here and come out from this coupe. The whole splitter is carbon fiber, and the flicks over here, the aerodynamic flicks to bring a downforce, are also carbon fiber material used. And the green line over here and the silver line going over here across the end, but it separates. I mean, over here it's all paint, but over here it's a silver line. But the best part is that it matches the interior as well, which I'm going to show you in a while. But this silver strip over inlay I can say, is mounted on the center console as well. So the lights, different, very unique kind of light, new design from Koenigsegg, and the green paint used on this front and on the air vents, on the flicks is perfect. And even over here as well, the green line color is used on the starting of the air vent scoop, and gray stripes running from here till the end, and air fins over here I think these are from here, it goes the air and cools the wheels and the brake calipers and comes out from here probably. And a big wiper and a big screen, oval screen, the Koenigsegg style, as you can see, and the Koenigsegg logo as well merged. It's a pearl white color and really a good model. Talking about the wheels, they are carbon fiber with white lines on the wheel, and the tires are Michelin printed decals with the stripes, white stripes running around, with green brake calipers and Koenigsegg logo. Moving further, the color, I mean the design of this model, I mean I don't have any words. I mean there's so much going on over here. As you can see, the fins over here, the aerodynamics with the green tips, and all its carbon fiber, even over here as well, the fin over here, carbon fiber again, and a big huge air vent to cool the engine. The air goes in and comes out from the back probably. A very great model. White side mirrors with carbon fiber stand in it, and a Jesko logo over here, Jesko. Big model. Very happy with the Frontiart production of this model. Very well detailed and well made as well. Moving towards the back with the big huge spoiler, huge humongous, made of carbon fiber. As you can see, the weave of the carbon fiber, it's not made of carbon fiber, but the texture used for as material use, decals or whatever it is in very good quality, and matching the weaves in the line. Let me show you. Won't be seen. It's over here, perfectly joining the weaves. And looking at the back end, really love the lights, the design of the lights. When I saw the video of the Koenigsegg, the real car, I was impressed from the back and especially from the lights. Really love the lights and the shapes over here going on, the curves and everything, and a huge diffuser at the back with the wings. This all is carbon fiber texture and a small camera. I think this is this thing over here underneath the exhaust, and exhaust with the Koenigsegg logo as well detailed, and a Jesko logo over here as well, and green tips make it more attractive and eye-catcher, I think. There's so many small details that every part is made by Koenigsegg in the real car. That's why everything is tagged with Koenigsegg logo or name, like over here on the wings, in and out. Very beautiful car. The wheels are perfect as well color combination combined. Always Koenigsegg comes out with some new designs and new features and new colors, techniques. They are outstanding. So moving towards the interior, starting from this globe over here, as you know, it comes in the real car as well, and the middle section is carbon fiber textured, and there are white seats with black and the steering is there perfectly with carbon fiber detailing, and everything is going on over there. I wish they would have made it in the opening parts. Maybe soon enough they will. Let's move it on the other side. Yeah, all the details, the seat belt quality and everything is perfect. The inlay I was talking about, the line which was going from the front, and as you can see over there, here, in the middle, the line is still going there, and it's going back as well, the silver inlay which was from here and there, and then moving further over here as well till the end. Too much design conscious Koenigsegg is, and perfection is endless over here. And the roof as well, it's with the glass top. There you can see the inlay over there which I was talking, and the seats are in a very good quality, diamond stitching. The air vents, AC air vents inside, all are carbon fiber. Even this area as well is carbon fiber textured. Small details, I mean, to bring it on the aerodynamics. I mean, like you can see, this is over here as well. I mean, bring it a downforce, given everything. And in the real car, this big, huge wing over here works as well to bring it, give it a downforce as well. From the back, it's huge. Really love the. It's more aggressive from the back than from the front because of the wing and so much going on over here, as you can see. Very cool model. Lucky enough to have it from carmodels.com. Very happy. When it came, it had a small problem, but it was fixable, so I did fix it. I had to open the whole model up and redo it again, but it was easy and I did it. It was no one's fault, I think. It happened while shipping or something like that, but was there, so had to fix it. But it was quite easy to open it and reassemble it. It's very easy. And talking about opening it, I mean, it's quite easy to open from the bottom. I mean, over here you can pull this out and the screws are in front of you to unscrew the model, and that's it. You don't have to cut any fabric or anything like that. So overall, it's a very best model and really love it. And has a triple X suspension, which they did mention over here, which I want to share especially. There you go, triple X suspension. It's a 9-gear speed car and would be the fastest in the coming years, but till now one of its kind. So guys, thank you very much for watching the video. Hope you liked it, my review on this Koenigsegg Jesko, and please do need your comments. I do need your comments on this video, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and love you guys. Take care. Bye.